When it comes to aftermarket steering columns, IDIDIT is the name you trust for performance, quality, and durability. We have a wide range of finishes to choose from no matter what you're building. Whether you want something subtle and dark like satin black, or a classic bright finish that can only be achieved by real chrome plating, IDIDIT has you covered. First, we have Paintable Steel. Our steel steering columns go through a finishing process that removes all surface defects and prepares it for painting right out of the box. By itself, this is a very attractive finish and requires minimal prep work. You can choose to keep this finish with a clear coat or paint it to match the interior of your vehicle. Next, we have Black Powder Coat, a high-quality, semi-gloss black finish that is durable, corrosion resistant, and free of orange peel. This looks great in most interiors. Now on to chrome plating. This is the look that can only be achieved by real triple-plated chrome. It's a mirror-like finish and adds unmistakable shine and style to really make your build stand out. Our brushed aluminum is hand-finished and delivers a modern aesthetic that's easy to care for and lighter than steel. And finally, we have polished aluminum, a brilliant, bright shine that adds a clean, sophisticated look while still getting the advantage of a lighter weight. Each finish is meticulously crafted to ensure longevity and a flawless appearance, designed to withstand the demands of the road while adding that perfect touch of class to your interior. Upgrade your ride with IDIDIT's expertly finished steering columns, because when it comes to quality and finishes, the choice is clear.